Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic will be an interesting topic for you, and the topic is how you can add Shopify FAQ page in this video, and it will be a complete beginner video. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. As you can see, this is our online store, and if you see the front end design, this is the front end design of our website, as you can see it. So now I will come back to our dashboard panel where we are landed. So as you can see it, so here I will click on online store. Once I click over here, then I will get a couple of options. Here I just need to select the themes, and then I will go over here into the customize option. Just click on this customize, and then it will redirect us to this page where we are allowed to customize these options easily. So here I am going to create a new page. That's why I will select this top bar menu, and then here I will click on this page option. Just click over here, and then I will create a template, and I will give a name that will be FAQ, and based on it will be a default page. Then create template, and now eventually you can see it has been come over here, and here I am going to change the contact name. It will be something else, so I am going to remove this one. Okay, then let's try it. Change the rename, click on rename, and it will be FAQ, as you can see it. So there is the options we have. Let's remove this one, and now I'm going to click on add sections. Into the add sections option, I am going to search the calls collapsible content. Let's scroll down one by one. Image with text, image banner, slideshow, college, multi-column, multi-row. Yeah, this one, collapsible content. But if you want to add a heading over this one, you are allowed to add it. Just click on rich text. Once you click over here, then I will remove rest of them, and I will just leave with the heading, and here I will change the heading into FAQ, and then come back to this one and click on add section, and I will select collapsible content. Once I click over here, now eventually you can see our collapsible content, and it looks really nice. So here let's search for a sample FAQ page, and let's hit, and let's go and let's see it. 90 stellar FAQ page example. Okay, let's check this out. Not this one. I am looking for a simple one. Simple FAQ page, FAQ template. And let's see FAQ template, and here as you can see there is a couple of options: question by category, FAQ management. Okay, these are the good things, so I need to find out further more. Let's go accordion FAQ. Yeah, I think live preview. Let's see it. Yeah, I think this one is really good, so I am going to copy all the text. Can I cancel my subscription at any time? Yes, you can just click on one and change your heading. As you can see, our heading has been changed. Then copy the answer, similarly provide it into row content, and now check this out. Yeah, as you can see, this way your all the things will be gone, and you can make sure that it will be proper. Then once you think it will be done, just select the collapse content, and here you are allowed to change your collapse content. Here you will write something important notice, and now here you can see heading size will be small, and it will be in place in left, and here you can see there's a couple of container, row container. As you can see, you can change the template. Then you have section 1. I think row 1 will be perfect. So here you can see, yeah, it looks nice. Then again select on collapse content, and here you can change the color scheme. So here you can see, you can change the color scheme as you want. It's totally depend on you. I think this white one little bit cool. I think I will select this one. This may be perfect. Then you can change the section color as well. As you can see it, you can change the section color. So here we have couple of options, so you just need to be explore it and find it out. So you can add image also. Let's add this one. Just click on done, and now you eventually you can see our image has been perfectly aligned with our sections. So here we have couple of other options like image ratio, so you can make your image proper way. Then placement, image first, and you can see there is a heading padding also we have. So I think this may be a perfect. Then I will come back to this collapse row. So here you can see icon will be apple. So with this apple it will be changed in here, the left corner icon. So I don't want any icon, that's why I will click on, or I will select, that will be none. Then you can add content from page also. It is a very advanced one, so I don't think it will be important. So similarly I'm going to add couple of other accordion here, FAQs questions. Just copy those and paste it here similar way, and I will select the check mark will be none. Then I will select this one, then row content, and remove the space before the content. Always remember this one, it is important. Now you click on similar way, none. Then come back to this one. Do you offer any discount? Yes, we do. So here you can see that how easy the process was. So here you can see that I already added all of them here, and our FAQ page creation has been done, and this is that much easy. And let's talk about the dynamic one. So what is the meaning, or what is this like row content from page? So let me give you a practical option. So just click on select. Once you click over here, then here you can see we already created a page called main sizes. Let's come back to this one, then you will understand what I am really telling you. So just come to the page, and in the page options you can see we created a main size page. So if I click over here you will get to show this option. So if you want to associate this page with this one, you are allowed to do it. Just select this one, and now if you scroll down, then you can see that the collapsible row looks nice, and it is very much connected with this main size options. So in this way you can create your FAQ page. Once you're done, you think that this one is already done, and you find out that your FAQ page is ready, you just need to come to this top bar and click on save. Once you click over here, now you are allowed to see this page on this platform easily. So here you can see that our page creation has been done. Now we are able to see this page FAQ. So this is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.